welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are fine. So as you can see here in this video, I'm going to show you how I make this plantain frittata with gizzard. So guys, if this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. For my old subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. So here is the gizzard that I'm going to use for this recipe. I've cleaned my gizzard, so you can as well clean your gizzard because the gizzard has a lot of dirty inside, so we need to clean it very well before we proceed cooking our gizzard. So let me show you to the ingredients that I'm going to use for this recipe. I have my vegetables here. I have spring onions, green and red and yellow bell pepper, Scotch bonnet, and some onion. So for the spices, I'm going to use some Maggi cubes, some garlic cloves, salt, tomato paste. You're going to use a tablespoon of tomato paste, curry, nutmeg, thyme, and ginger. So these are the spices that I'm going to use. And here is the plantains that I'm going to use. I can't tell you the amount of plantain you are going to use. You can buy as many you want. All depends on you. So for me, I decided to use this one. And also I'm going to use olive oil and some sunflower oil. You can as well use any oil of your choice. So I'm just going to wash the vegetables, and I'm going to blend the red bell pepper, the onion, and the Scotch bonnet, and the rest of them I'll show you what I'm going to do with them later. So I'm just going to use my food processor to blend my vegetables. I don't want it to be smooth. I just want to blend them in. This is the way I like it. So here I'm just going to pour in the onions into my pot, and I'll add some salt, some thyme, some Maggi cubes, some ginger, then I'll add some garlic, and I will stir together very well. And I'm not going to add any water. I'm just going to allow the water of the gizzard, then I will use it to cook the gizzard. So this is the bell pepper and the onions and the Scotch bonnet. I'm just going to cook it until the water is dried. So I just want to leave them to cook. So as you can see, the gizzard has bring its own water out. I'm just going to use the stock of the gizzard to cook it until it's well cooked. So I just want to stir the bell pepper, and I will still allow it to cook because the water is not yet dry. So here now, as you can see, the water has dried up. And for the gizzard, I'm not going to fry my gizzard, but you can as well fry your own because I don't like frying things. So I just decided to grill my own in the oven. So here are the vegetables. I've chopped them, and the plantain. So now I'm just going to add my sunflower oil into my frying pan. Then I'll start to fry the plantains. If you like, you can add salt to your plantain, but I don't like adding salt to my ripe plantain. I like frying them like that. So guys, if this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome to this channel. Feel free to watch the video and subscribe if you like what you see, and also give it a thumbs up. So guys, it's a free, you don't need to pay any money. So guys, subscribe to my channel. So now in my frying pan, I add the sunflower oil, some salt, some thyme, and some ginger. I'm just going to stir fry the vegetables just for 3 minutes because I don't want to overcook the vegetables, so you don't need to cook your vegetables too much. If not, you will lose the taste. So you just need to cook it for just 3 minutes. I just add some Maggi to give it a nice flavor. So I'll stir it together very well, then I'll just allow it to cook for 2 minutes. So now I will take another pan. In my pan, I will just add a olive oil. Then I'm going to add the onion. I'm just going to cook the onions for about 2 minutes. So it's time for me to add the bell pepper that I cooked before. I'm just going to fry it for about 3 minutes as well, because it's already cooked. I just want to fry it together. And guys, if you want to add your tomato paste, just a tablespoon, not more than a tablespoon. I'll add my curry, nutmeg, then I'll give it a nice stir and I'll leave it to cook. So I just add Maggi and I'll stir it together. I'll allow it to cook. So here is the gizzard that I grate in the oven. So as you can see, it's so beautiful, so nice, and tastes so good. Before I add the gizzard, I just want to take some sauce apart because I don't want the sauce to overshadow the gizzard. Maybe later I'll put it back, but for now I just want to set it a little of the sauce apart. So I'm going to stir it together. It's time for me to add the plantain. So you have to mix it together very well so that everything will mix together very well. Wow, I feel like eating it right now. I can't wait. So now I just add the sauce that I took out before, so I decided to add it back again. So at this point I'm just going to add the vegetables. So guys, you know the vegetables, we've already stir fried it before. You just have to leave it for just few, not more than 2-3 minutes. So you just mix everything together very well. You have to mix it together very well so that everything will mix together. So now I'm just going to add the spring onion. When you add the spring onion, you just off your cooker. You don't need to cook the spring onion. The heat of the food, you just use it. When you stir it together, then the heat will just cook the spring onion. So guys, you have to stir it together. That is all. It's so easy to prepare, and trust me guys, this recipe is so yummy. kids will like it and your family will love it. Just make it for your family, you see what they will tell you. So guys, that is all. We have come to the end of this video. I want to say thank you, and if you're new, before you leave, please guys, don't forget to subscribe. That is just the only way you have to support this channel, and giving this video a thumbs up. So you can as well share the video. And for my old subscribers, thank you so much. I love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart, and thank you for always coming to watch my video. So I'm going to leave you guys now, and I will see you in my next video. So this recipe guys, you can use it to eat jollof rice, white rice, potatoes, anything you feel like eating it with is good for it. So thank you so much. Bye. Ciao ciao.